Hello guys, today we are talking about typecasting. Typecasting. We are convert one type of value to another type. What? One type of value to another type. This conversion is called as the typecasting. This conversion is called as typecasting or type conversion. Type conversion. Following are the various inbuilt function for typecasting. First one is the int. Second float. These are the functions. Complex type, boolean, string. So let's talk about integer. We can use this function to convert the values from other type to integer type. We can use this function to convert values from other types to integer. Some are the examples of these. Int of 123.45. This value is in float, but the output of this value is 123, approximately 123. Next one is the integer, but type conversion is not supported in every that means, look, I'll take the one example. Another example, integer of 10 plus 5i. Okay, and output goes to error. What type error? Type error. And this can't convert complex to integer. Can't convert complex into integer. Next example is from the boolean int of true. Int of true, and output is what? 1. Output is 1. This one is the output, this one is also output, and this is also output. Now next, We can convert from any type to integer except the complex type. Okay, if we want to convert string type into a integer type, compulsorily string should contain only integral values and should be a specified base 10. Okay, this is one note. We can convert from any type into integer except only a complex type. One note is there. We can convert from any type to int except complex type. And another is, if we want to convert string type to integer, then compulsorily string should contain only integral value and should be specified in base 10. That's all. Next is the float. Float type. We can use float function to convert other type values to float. Okay, some examples are float of 10, output is 10.0. Float of 10.5j, float of 10 plus 5j. This will not convert. This gives us the type error. Type error, can't convert complex to float. Note, same. We can convert any type value to float type except the complex type. This note. Float except complex type. And next, second note is that, like second note, and this one is the first. Whenever we are trying to convert the string type, string type to float type, float type compulsory str should be either integral or floating point. That's all about float. Next is the complex. We can use complex function to convert type of complex. We can use complex function to convert other type to complex type. We can use this function to convert x into a complex number with the real part x and imaginary part 0. Okay. Form 1. This gives us form 1. We can use this function to convert x into complex number with real part as x, real part x and imaginary part 0. Example, complex of 10 gives us the 10 plus 0j, 10 plus 0j. One more example, complex of 10.5 gives us the output like 10.5 plus 0j. Complex of true. Complex of true is 1 plus 0j. Okay, and complex, one more, complex of false is nothing but what? Only 0j. That's all about the complex number, complex type. Next is boolean. Next one is the boolean type. We can use this function to convert other type values to boolean type. For example, boolean of 0 is what? Boolean of 0 is nothing but the false. It returns false. Boolean of 1 is true. Boolean of 1 is always true. Boolean of 10 is what? True. What about the boolean of string? Boolean of string true, it returns the true only. It returns true only. And last one is the string. String type, we can use this method. We can use this method to convert other type values. To string type. That is string of 10. Output is what is the output of this? Output is nothing but 10. String of what? 10.5. This converts into string like 10.5. That's all about the type conversion. Thank you.